This conflicted defendant drifted off the course of supervision, so the judge responded with finality, ending a prolonged period of uncertainty.
Why are you not reporting?
My understanding, I triggered psychosis, and I was in psychosis for the last few years.
I'm sorry, what?
I was in psychosis for the last few years. And I didn't tell anybody because I was scared that they were making fun of me, or I couldn't get the right help or anything. I went on a run because I can recover from psychosis. That's what I did. I rest. I slept for a whole month. I did everything correctly on my own.
Because you didn't report to probation, so you didn't do everything correctly. You had the wherewithal to say, I'm in psychosis. I'm just going to do everything on my own. And there's no excuse for not reporting. I could see it if, oh, I'm in psychosis. I didn't even know I was on probation. I didn't have the strength or whatever, or the will to pick up a phone and call somebody. So I don't understand. The court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Here on Isaiah David Ibarra. Yes. And counsel, are you ready to proceed on the motion?
You are, Judge.
How's it been going, David?
It's been going well. Busy.
It's like I rarely see you.
Yes.
All right, court is calling 2020 CR 12333, State versus Isaiah David Ibarra. Can I have parties announce?
Andrew Harris Edelman for the state.
David Andre Woodard for Mr. Ibarra.
And are you Mr. Ibarra?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Isaiah David Ibarra who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 12333 for the offense of robbery on April 7, 2021 for a period of 8 years and extended for a total of 1 year? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Isaiah David Ibarra, did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of May, June, July, August 2024 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State waives the remaining violation allegation.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, deny the motion, alter and amend conditions of supervision to require local ISF with release to supported ISP, if I remember correctly.
All right, so here's the court's problem. Previously, he was here in June for a violation of condition number 24, and the court denied the motion, extended him for a year, and did state ISF cognitive. So I don't see how this would help. And I understand the mental health component, but what are we doing here?
Hey, Judge, just my understanding, I believe that's why the local ISF has been proposed, because there are some mental health concerns with Mr. Ibarra. I spoke with him this morning. Since he's been at the jail, he hasn't been medicated. He has only been taking sleeping medication, but he hasn't been taking anything regarding his mental health concerns.
So do you have any concerns that he's incompetent?
I don't, Judge. I did speak with him at the jail and also this morning. He does understand the proceedings, what he's charged with, what can possibly happen if the court denies or grants the motion to adjudicate.
All right, any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so I don't understand if there's any help for Mr. Ibarra because he's been extended before. Oh, and state, you may continue to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
So what is,
Judge, he still has a lot of time left on his deferred. He received it back in 2021 for 8 years, and he received another year extension. So he still has time to complete his commitment to probation.
all right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
I did David Ibarra.
All right, why are you not reporting?
But my understanding, I triggered psychosis and I was in psychosis for the last few years.
I'm sorry, what?
I was in psychosis for the last few years and I wasn't really in my right state of mind. And I know I didn't tell anybody because I was scared that they were making fun of me or I couldn't get the right help or anything. And I barely come out of it. The last time you see me in that program, it messed me up even more because all I did was just violent. It was just violence. It was nothing but violence, and I was going through psychosis still. And on with you, I went on a run because I can recover from psychosis. That's what I did. I rest. I slept for a whole month. I did everything correctly
No.
on my own.
Because you didn't report to probation, so you didn't do everything correctly.
Yes.
So I don't even, you're still not explaining to me why you're not reporting. You had the wherewithal to say, I'm in psychosis. I'm just going to do everything on my own. You still
That would
didn't
be the
report.
excuse.
Hmm?
That would be the excuse.
Yeah, so you didn't report. And there's no excuse for not reporting. I could see it if, oh, I'm in psychosis. I didn't even know I was on probation. I didn't have the strength or whatever, or the will to pick up a phone and call somebody. So I don't understand.
I think maybe he realizes that now, Judge. I think at the time, I don't think, unfortunately, probation was at the forefront of what was going on with him in terms of reporting. I think now he realized that he still should have been reporting. I can't say if he had that mindset back then when he didn't report for those 4 months.
Probation. So what are we going to do with Mr. Ibarra?
I am travel and then. We can do another mid evaluation. I actually did the last evaluation. Haven't had one at least a year. So I would say maybe another, I did get the court summary approved.
Mm-hmm.
Because I just got word and I'll turn it out.
Okay.
That's concerned. It does concern me that he hasn't reported in approximately a year, Judge. Here you go, Judge.
Okay, so here's my question. Does he owe any money to any restitution?
No restitution is listed, Judge.
All right. Then on the court summary, it says that he was arrested for criminal trespassing. So that's how he's in custody, because he had this violation.
And I was unaware of that, Judge, because the criminal trespass was not listed. I don't believe on the, was listed on the amended,
Okay.
happened in March.
All right, state, with regards to the criminal trespass, are you aware that he has a criminal trespass? And is that criminal trespass still pending?
I became aware of this within the last 30 seconds. I do not know if it is still pending or not.
All right. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty. Court is going to grant the motion, revoke, and the court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be remaining no contact with Christian Fossell. And I'll request the therapeutic community and counsel, I'll retain jurisdiction.
Also, Judge, would the court give Mr. Ibarra credit for the time he spent in ISF? I don't know those exact dates.
Yes. And did he successfully complete it?
Yes,
You have the dates?
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, Mr. Ibarra. The court, when people are placed on probation, the court can only help you is if you reach out for help. And previously, you had a motion to revoke. ISF was tried, and then you just disappeared, and you disappeared for an entire year. The minimum people can do while they're on probation is report. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Yes.
Thank you, counsel.
Thanks, Judge.
This broken man returns to the bottle once every 2 decades, and every time it brings destruction. So the judge bound his freedom to a leash of law and consequence.
We're asking that the court, well, his mother's very ill also. He's a caretaker for her, so we need him out here to help take care of her.
This is what I'm going to tell you about DWIs. I have yet to have somebody stand before me or to have a client say, you know what, my intention when I got up this morning was to go out to drink until I was intoxicated and to kill someone. But every day in Bexar County or somewhere in this world or in the United States, somebody is drinking and driving. They either hit somebody and kill them or change that person's life forever by hitting them and injuring them. I understand that people react differently to tragedy. To have all of that happen in your family, court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison.